Hello, today I'm going to show you a simple way to glow your face. I'm going to use this is coffee and this is coconut oil. I just use to scrub, then you pour a little coconut oil. Little coconut oil, try to mix. Just mix in the palm of your hand, then scrub your face. It might be rough, but you can just be gentle to your face. You can even scrub your lips. Since coconut oil is a natural oil, it cannot affect you, but make sure it doesn't enter your mouth. But they are both good. Scrub even your hairs. Scrub. Then I'm going to use warm water and a towel just to wipe off. Just wipe off. Don't use too hot water, just warm water, so you can be able to remove all the oil in your face. I'm using it in the towel. I'm using it on my lip because this is my face towel. We are using warm water to remove all the coconut oil on your face. As you can see, I'm already done. And yes, it feels so nice. And as you can see, my face is glowing, not as before. I do this weekly.